Today we're reviewing Ruwac's 32-inch wide floor sweep nozzle. The 32-inch floor sweep nozzle assembly fits on just about any Ruwac vacuum and is designed to cut a 32-inch wide path and is perfect for use in areas like warehouses or any areas where you have huge amounts of square footage. For the purposes of a demonstration today, we have some sand that weighs about 90 pounds a cubic foot, a variety of different metal washers, and some plastic grindings mixed in. So we'll just start it up. And as you can see, it sweeps the floor just by pushing the vacuum along, effectively picking up just about anything in its path. The other nice thing about our assembly is that you can attach any tool and then use it for the purposes of regular vacuum cleaning. The vacuum, it's a simple matter of first shaking the lever to clean the filter, lifting up on the dustpan lever, and there's all your material. Put the dustpan back in, lock it in place, and you're ready to go do some more. This concludes our video on Ruwac's 32-inch wide floor sweep assembly.